headset, so for the microphone. Anytime I'm on my computer and I'm not talking to people, I have speakers that I use.
Alright, I fully expect to die very quickly.
Yeah. You might want to just, like, jet to, like, the middle.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
It's another dual carrier game? Holy shit.
I'm breaking off and going to the right.
Show them what we've got, chaps.
I will follow you.
Because I don't think we're going to win a head-on engagement with their strong side, so yeah. I've accepted the bots will die, but that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
Wait, there's bots? Oh my goodness. Holy.
Oh shit, yeah. Yikes.
Josh, do you have AA?
No. I have a hydroacoustic search.
No, I meant like AA guns on your ship.
Oh, some. Not great.
I have decent AA, for he is fucking off. Oh, he lost a ship.
Need a plane.
Can you get a shot on that V-170?
He's 2 kilometers out of my range.
Enemy cruiser detected.
But the Ensuaro is close.
Alright, so fun fact, the carrier decided to, you know, not follow the team, but that's cool. That's great.
Whatever.
We abandoned
He wants
him.
to die, he wants to die.
I typed it in chat.
I did see it.
Congratulations, you can read. Congratulations.
Better than 80% of the other people in this game.
You're right. I hate saying that, but you're right. I'm going up the middle.
I'll follow you. Or come with her. Whatever.
Because I want to see if I can get some juicy broadsides.
Enemy cruiser detected. Enemy battleship detected.
It's a little surprising why, you know, our bots are dead, but theirs aren't.
Well, they didn't leave their bots.
Dispersion, take the wheel.
I thought that was Jesus' job.
It's okay, there was a perfect split on that ship. Holy crap, someone did a lot of damage to one of their carriers. Coming in for torp run on you.
He's a really bad run, though.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
That's way far away.
Watch out for the Suzuki or whatever it's called.
I just launched torps, James, or Jim. So be careful, they're off to your left.
Ah, shit. Can you get the Z1 or the V170 or whatever?
V170. Yeah, I'll move on him.
Torpedoes
All
dead
stations,
ahead.
Got him.
reporting the position of a
Torpedoes to
strategic
port.
target.
Torpedoes to port.
Ooh, his engine's down. Oh shit. That's not good.
Enemy aircraft carrier sighted.
Nice job.
Really not digging all this plane spotting.
Don't worry, I'm trying to handle it.
Союзники, поддержите огнем по указанной цели.
Is that carrier moving at all?
Yes, he's moving. He's moving away from us.
Enemy battleship detected. Enemy cruiser sighted.
He is no longer having to worry about that.
Sweet.
Большое спасибо.
Nice.
I'm gonna chase down this Svetlana in the back.
There's a dread there. Be careful of that.
There's a what?
There's a
Dreadnought.
dreadnought over there. Oh,
Oh.
there's Svetlana. Never mind.
Yeah, yeah, Bravo 1.
Yeah, depends on how much it's moved. Not much.
Yeah, that destroyer in our cap's probably a bad thing.
Yeah. Took out one of his guns.
I citadeled him. Haha. I citadeled him again.
Is he dead?
We head
He
back
is
to
dead.
base, or what do you think?
I'm gonna go back to base to take care of that
Awesome.
destroyer if we can.
Alright.
I don't know if we'll get there in time, but
See about taking out this red one.
10 minutes, yeah.
well, if he starts capping it, I don't know. I got 2 minutes to get there, basically.
Not if you keep resetting it. I think this guy's almost out of planes.
Might be.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Good night, Mr. Dreadnought. Oh, just a whole bunch of non-penetrations and a splash.
Oh, there goes our cruiser.
Mm-hmm. They got another cruiser coming up from the bottom. See the
Can I break
ghost on
off?
the map. And yeah, Echo 8.
Right, should I break off?
Maybe. I think you guys are probably fine to keep going. Try and kill what you can, and then
Yeah, I would prefer having DD support.
oh, this issue is going to be a problem.
Corpse coming in from your aft.
I see him. Think you can handle the Dreadnought?
Внимание, передаю координаты цели.
Oh, this is bad.
Oh, we got an issue right next to him.
Yep. That's alright. I'm almost in torp range. He's not aiming at me either. I'm gonna torp him. I'm gonna just blitz right into him because he's not aiming at me. But they are capturing our base.
At this point, it's a little too late then.
My rudder shift time sucks.
Oh, he's dead.
Attention à toutes les forces présentes. Défendez la base. Attention, la défense de la base est notre objectif prioritaire.
How goes your hunting the Dreadnought?
Oh, it's a St. Louis. It's in the cap. Ah, too late. We just...
Damn.
Why wasn't
I
our
got some floods on that.
Why wasn't our carrier dealing with that?
Because we're playing tier potato.